I'm absolutely fascinated by all aspects of earth sciences. I'm constantly amazed at finding out how things work. And I think, the aspect of where this tiny person living on this large world and this huge universe is just so exciting, and trying to figure out exactly what's going on is really what makes me inspired. My name's Ashley Hood. I'm a lecturer in the School of Earth Sciences. In Earth Sciences, we cover the whole history of the Earth, life, and the solar system. We're essentially an application of physics and chemistry and maths and biology, and we apply that all to problems that we face on Earth today. One of the biggest myths about earth sciences is the perception that earth science is just about digging up or destroying the planet. Whereas so many of our graduates go into careers in things like environmental consulting. Another big myth is that a lot of students think that earth sciences is not quantitative or not a maths and physics based science. And there are definitely some aspects of earth sciences that are really rigorous and mathematical. So if you're really interested in the big problems that face the planet today, so things like climate change and environmental change, earth science is really the best place to go to study these problems in detail. This is the type of work that we do research on, this is the sort of skills that we teach you, and if you're interested in really providing realistic solutions to these kind of real world issues, then earth sciences is definitely for you. First year students can take earth sciences straight out. They don't have to have done any prior study, and in fact there isn't really any subjects that students can do in high school. The first year earth science subjects definitely cater for people who have no prior knowledge of the earth sciences. If you want to try something new, please come and join us. Students that go into earth sciences in first year can expect a really practical, hands-on course. We teach a lot of really hands-on labs where we show you the rocks and you discover and see the ways that the earth works. And we also have a field trip in second semester, which is the only first year subject to have a field trip. In first year earth sciences, we cover a huge range of topics, which is kind of an introduction to how the earth works and the history and future of the earth. So we cover things like the evolution of life, rocks and mineral systems. We go through how climate change works on Earth, how to read a weather map, all these practical skills that will teach you about how the Earth works. Some of the other skills that students can gain through earth sciences. One is dealing with really large and messy data sets and figuring out how to wrangle that data and make sense of it. And the other is using very limited information to derive solutions. And really both of these skills are applicable to any sort of career that students go into today. Earth sciences is great for soft skill development. In earth sciences we look at particularly developing things like teamwork, written communication, public speaking, all of these aspects that are really useful in any career. I did earth sciences in the University of Melbourne as an undergrad, and subsequently I've gone on to work for NASA in the US. So earth science is really great for career opportunities. It's one of the few majors that leads directly to a variety of different careers. We have people involved in sustainable mining techniques and exploration. We have people doing water management and natural hazard management and environmental consulting. And then on the climate side, we have students go work for the Bureau of Meteorology, for CSIRO, looking at forecasting and predicting Australia's weather and climate future. So a lot of our earth sciences go into big infrastructure projects. They work on things like geotechnical engineering and the projects like the Metro Tunnel. A lot of our graduates go into these big government projects. I think the most exciting thing I learned through my studies and my career was that the planet actually controls habitability and climate change on Earth, that our planet actually is the thing that keeps Earth warm enough or cold enough for us to live and us to evolve. And I think this is this huge, amazing, complex system of the Earth that is really helping us, and we now need to give back and help the Earth.